Want to speak real Urdu from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at urdupod101.com.
Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So, access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. Hi, my name is Afra. Welcome to UrduPod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Urdu. In the last lesson, you learned how to show gratitude to people by saying shukriya. In this lesson, you will learn some of the most common greetings used in Pakistan. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? तो चलिए शुरू करें. So let's begin. Let's start with a greeting you are sure to have heard before. Assalamu alaikum. This is a phrase that is so closely associated with Pakistan and Islamic culture that it has become famous all over the world. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. The phrase Assalamu alaikum is actually Arabic for peace be on you. We use it as a formal as well as a friendly greeting. It's used when people meet at any time of the day, morning, noon, or evening. Use this and you will surely impress your Pakistani friends. In Urdu, using different greetings for each time of the day is not very common. When talking to friends, we usually just use the English phrases, but there are equivalent Urdu versions. They are just not used that often. If you meet someone before noon, you can say Subha bakhair. Subha bakhair. For later in the day, you can say Sham bakhair. Sham bakhair. But most of the time, you can just say Assalamu alaikum and not worry about it. Now let's move on to the expressions we use for saying goodbye in Urdu. A parting expression that we can use for all occasions is phir milenge, which means see you. Phir milenge. Phir milenge. The first word phir means again, and the second word milenge means we will meet. Let's look at one more expression. Alvida. Alvida is an Urdu word which means farewell. Alvida. Alvida. It is an appropriate choice when parting for a long time or forever. Now it's time for Afra's advice. As we learned in this lesson, Assalamu alaikum can be used at any time of the day. But this all-around greeting is not just for saying hello, but for saying goodbye as well. It really is a very useful phrase and you should remember it by heart. In the next lesson, you will learn the meaning of the phrase, Kya aap Angrezi bolte hain? Do you already know it? I'll be waiting to tell you about it in our next lesson. Phir milenge.
Today we're going to talk about 4 techniques to help you stop translating in your head and instead start thinking in your target language. This will allow you to have conversations with ease, read smoothly, and better understand native speakers. These are 4 methods to help you think in a new language. Number 1, surround yourself with your target language. This way, you'll be completely immersed in the language. Without realizing it, you'll learn pronunciation, sentence structures, grammar, and new vocabulary. Play music in the background while you're cooking, or have a radio station on while you study. Just use one of our endless podcasts available to you. These are easy to listen to in the background while doing other things. Number 2, learn through observation. This is how we all learned our native languages as kids. Words will develop their own meanings that relate better to your target language, rather than meanings that are translated directly. Number 3, speak out loud to yourself. Even if you're a little embarrassed, it forces you to listen to how you speak. It makes it much easier to spot simple grammar mistakes. Number 4, practice daily. If you practice everything for only one day, you won't retain the information you learned. The brain can realistically only focus for about 30 minutes. So studying a little every day allows you to absorb better. Follow these steps and have patience. You'll soon be able to achieve your language learning goals. Just make sure to remember these 4 methods. Sign up for your free lifetime account. No credit card required, and you'll get the best free online resources. And start learning more every day.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and this is Afra. Welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. So today our lesson would be Top 10 questions that you should know. So let's get started. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? So the first question is, Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Mera naam Afra hai. My name is Afra. Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Main Lahore se hoon. I'm from Lahore. Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? मेरी सालगिरह नवंबर में है। My birthday is in November. आप कहाँ रहती हैं? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहती हैं? Where do you live? मैं लाहौर में रहती हूँ. I live in Lahore. So guys, you're going to notice that in a lot of questions, I'm going to be using some words which I'm going to change according to the principles of masculine and feminine nouns and verbs. And if you want to know more about it, please do visit our website. We have a whole other series explaining Urdu nouns and verbs and how the rules of masculine and feminine apply to it. So please try to stay with me on this one. आपका phone number क्या है? What's your phone number? So the next question is, आपका phone number क्या है? What is your phone number? मेरा phone number ये है. My phone number is, so you just have to replace your number with the word ये, and ये literally means this. आपने उर्दू कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Urdu? आपने उर्दू कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Urdu? मैंने उर्दू urdupod101.com से सीखी. I learned Urdu from urdupod101.com, which would be true in your case. Okay. क्या आप पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करती हैं? Do you like Pakistani food? क्या आप पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करती हैं? So if you're a guy, you would be using करते हैं, but if you're a girl, you'll be using करती हैं. Do you like Pakistani food? जी हाँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करता हूँ. Yes, I like Pakistani food. क्या आप पाकिस्तान गए हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? क्या आप पाकिस्तान गई हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? जी हाँ. Yes. आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? मैं लाहौर जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go to Lahore. आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? मैं 5 दिनों के लिए पाकिस्तान में हूँ. I am in Pakistan for 5 days. So this is the end of lesson, guys. I hope you like our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and check our website www.urdupod101.com. See you until next time. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum. This is Afra and welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. And our today's lesson is Top 10 Phrases to Amaze Native Speakers. Let's get started. आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाला नहीं हूँ. आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाली नहीं हूँ. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाला नहीं हूँ. आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाली नहीं हूँ. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. I would say it would be quite a compliment if you can receive that kind of appreciation after learning Urdu from urdupod101.com. मैं 3 साल में एक मुकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगा. मैं 3 साल में एक मुकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगी. I will speak Urdu like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 3 साल में एक मकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगा. मैं 3 साल में एक मकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगी. I will speak Urdu like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रही हूँ. I have been learning Urdu for 10 years. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रही हूँ. I have been learning Urdu for 10 years. मैं सबटाइटल्स के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकता हूँ. मैं सबटाइटल्स के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकती हूँ. I can watch Pakistani movies without subtitles. मैं सबटाइटल्स के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकता हूँ. मैं सबटाइटल्स के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकती हूँ. I can watch Pakistani movies without subtitles. Wow, that's quite impressive, I think. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकती हूँ. I can memorize around 50 new Urdu words in a day. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकती हूँ. I can memorize around 50 new Urdu words in a day. उर्दू मज़ेदार है और सीखने में आसान है. उर्दू is fun and easy to learn. उर्दू मज़ेदार है और सीखने में आसान है. उर्दू is fun and easy to learn. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकता हूँ. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकती हूँ. Apart from knowing Urdu, I can speak a few other languages as well. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकता हूँ. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकती हूँ. Apart from knowing Urdu, I can speak a few other languages as well. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रहा हूँ. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रही हूँ. I am learning Urdu all by myself. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रहा हूँ. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रही हूँ. I am learning Urdu all by myself. जो कुछ आपने कहा मैं मुकम्मल तौर पर सब कुछ समझ गई. जो कुछ आपने कहा मैं मुकम्मल तौर पर सब कुछ समझ गया. I completely understood everything you said. जो कुछ आपने कहा है मैं मुकम्मल तौर पर सब कुछ समझ गई. जो कुछ आपने कहा मैं मुकम्मल तौर पर सब कुछ समझ गया. I completely understood everything you said. मैं नई और पुरानी उर्दू जानता हूँ. मैं नई और पुरानी उर्दू जानती हूँ. I know old and new Urdu. मैं नई और पुरानी उर्दू जानता हूँ. मैं नई और पुरानी उर्दू जानती हूँ. I know old and new Urdu. I think this is one of the most impressive phrases that you can say to anyone. Thank you for watching this video. This is the end of our lesson. If you liked our video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and do check our website www.urdupod101.com. See you until next time. Allah Hafiz.
हेलो, आपका नाम क्या है?
हेलो, मेरा नाम अली है और आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम आशा है.
आशा जी, आपका नाम अच्छा है.
आपका शुक्रिया. कमाल जी, आप कैसे हैं?
ओह माहिमा, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और आप कैसी हैं?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. आपका शुक्रिया.
आपका बेटा कैसा है?
वो बहुत अच्छा है. आपका शुक्रिया. आपकी उम्र क्या है?
मैं 30 साल का हूँ.
आपके कितने बच्चे हैं?
मेरे कोई बच्चे नहीं हैं.